Hi, this is Kendra from Pencil and Pigment, and today I thought I would try illustrating on porcelain. I have never done this before, but I thought it might be kind of cool. So last year I purchased this pen from PBO, and I bought this one specifically on Amazon, but this is a porcelain 150 pen, and the tip is 1.2 millimeters, and the instructions on the pen are in multiple languages, and they state that if you're just using the plate after you've drawn on it for decorative use, you only need to let the illustration dry for 72 hours, and then you can do sort of light washing and light soaking. But if you want your illustration to be permanent, you need to let it dry for 24 hours and then bake it in the oven for 35 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. So I want to show you what my kids did. Two of my kids were like, I want to draw on a plate too. So my youngest daughter did this beautiful illustration of fairies and flowers and the sky. And her twin brother did this cool one with a cat and a critter and stars and swirls. Aren't those fun? Okay, so those are definitely getting baked because those are just too awesome. Now, let's see. So the company's been around a while. They've been around since the 19 teens, and they have a really rich history. They also have a YouTube channel with tutorials. So I will link a bunch of interesting things in case you want to fall down that rabbit hole of this company, because it is fascinating. And I did not pre-sketch anything, but when you draw, you can lift it with a wet sort of towel. So if I royally screw this up, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I just thought I would just kind of go for it because, I don't know, you ever get in one of those moods where you're just like, let's do something permanent. Let's make some permanent choices. And that's kind of where I am today. I can't decide if I want it looking kind of sketched out or doodled. I don't know. We're going to see where this takes me. And if I hate it, I'll change it up. But I thought it might be kind of funny to draw like a salamander with its tongue sticking out like it's grabbing the food. Now you do have to shake this pen initially to get the ink down into the nib. And it does sort of lighten up, and it kind of needs to be reshaked a little bit. And I only have one color, so we know I'm doing a no-buy. But last year in my infinite wisdom, I only bought one, which is probably a good thing. I don't think I need more than one. Anyway, I don't know. You're gonna have something sort of going off, and it sort of gets lighter. I have a little book that somebody will have to talk about this sketchbook. I have a little tiny sketchbook where I like test pens and stuff, because I just thought last year I needed one. I was constantly getting like paint in my pens and wrecking them, so I kind of have a little book where I clean up my pens by drawing it out. And they have just the funniest little arms. Reptiles are so cool. When I was growing up, my brother had an iguana. She was huge. She was very big. And she lived a long time. Alright, and then we have sort of belly. And we need to do hind leg, don't we? So that would be the only thing I would say the downside of this pen is that it's really hard to keep consistent value. Like if you want your blacks really black, it tends to lighten up as you're drawing. But overall, you can see how easy it is to sort of commit and try a thing I just hope I'm not getting too weird with it. Anyway. Why not, you know? Why not a salamander is the real question. But I guess you could say if you wanted lighter values within your illustration, then it fading could be a good thing. So this is the basis of my salamander. Oh, he looks so funny. Oh, if you can't laugh at what you're drawing. Oh, man. You know, it's Friday. It's Friday. We're going to get weird with it. This is just where we're at, folks. A little shading. Little shading. We'll add some dots on it, maybe. Give a little texture things. It's kind of scaly. Kind of scaly, weird things, aren't they? Love them. All right. We'll give him stripes. We'll give him stripes to the leg, maybe. See, and it's starting to lighten up again. I thought about doing an octopus too. An octopus would be really cool, like an octopus reaching up and pretending to like grab your food. I don't know, there's lots of different things you could do. If you're interested in more like geometric shapes, or you want to write words, maybe you want to write like a quote or a reminder or something you believe in on a plate. Like a positive affirmation would be cool on a plate too. Or a funny joke. You could totally do a funny joke and then like have the answer be on the backside. Okay, is that my salamander? Oh, he's such a weird dude. He's gonna need a little branch, I think, because otherwise he's just looking like he's floating out in space. And I'm currently trying to, there we go, get this pen started back up. So let's give him a branch. And that will sort of mirror his tongue on one side with the branch coming off the other side. So it looks a little bit more symmetrical and like purposeful. Let's see. Branches are of different widths and different things here. Let's sort of and you can kind of come off here and have a little thing, and he can come off here and come down here and get bigger. Oh, it's a branch. We can give him little textures. Wood's fun. Wood's a lot of fun. You could do like the wood grain swirls. Oh, and my dog says hi. Hey, baby. She's been napping in the sun today. It's just a relaxing Friday, folks. I'm going to try and draw on porcelain. So I'm going to bake this tomorrow, and I will let you know. I'll pin a comment probably Sunday or Monday, letting you know like what kind of treatment. You know, maybe I'll put something really acidic on the plate, like spaghetti, and then we'll see if it can withstand all the different things and washing, and see, did my plate crack when I cooked it? Because that would be good to know too. So here is kind of my branch. Here's kind of my guy here. I don't know why this is so funny. I probably shouldn't be allowed to design plates. If my idea of a good time is, yeah, let's put a big tug on it and have it grab stuff. Oh gosh. It's a tree in winter. There are no leaves. I don't want to add too many sort of botanical elements. I think it'll distract from the illustration. So I really love asymmetrical design. And this is all over the map. So I hope you kind of enjoyed this. This is just me being weird on Friday, trying a thing. And I'll let you know how it bakes, how it performs. If we were able to wash the illustration off in the dishwasher, because I am real curious. Our dishwasher is kind of crazy. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.